Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'll be making some crab cakes. I'm using the claw meat because I had quite a bit left over, and then I've got some white crab meat mixed in. This is about 1 pound or 500 grams of crab meat. We've got some mayo, 1 large egg beaten, some fresh chopped parsley. Here we've got lemon juice, some Dijon mustard, Worcestershire sauce, and some hot sauce. I'll list the measurements below. Got some panko breadcrumbs, and I've got some Old Bay and some creole seasoning and some black pepper. I did put my crab meat to drain to get rid of the excess liquid. So we're just gonna mix all of our wet ingredients together. I'm going to add some black pepper, our seafood seasoning, and creole. I'm going to also add our parsley. Normally you'll use lump crab meat to make crab cakes, but because I've got so much and I need to use this crab meat within 2 days, I'm just going to use it to make crab cakes. Guys, we're going to add our crab meat. Just gonna mix this in. And then our panko breadcrumbs. Guys, we've got our baking sheet lined with parchment paper. That's our crab mixture. If you find that your mixture is wet, just add some more breadcrumbs. We're gonna try and see if we can get eight out of these. So I'm gonna use a cookie scoop just to section them out. Oh guys, it is 8 exactly. That's our 8 little crab cakes. I'm gonna wet my hands so I can form these into a ball. We're only gonna fry 4 of them. I'm gonna freeze the other 4, but I'm gonna freeze them raw, not cooked. We're gonna go and fry up 4 of these, and then I'm going to freeze the other 4. Gonna add some oil. Not enough for frying them. We're cooking these for about 3 to 5 minutes on each side, so we just want our oil to heat up. Guys, we're just gonna form them into a patty. Yep, the pot sounds hot. We're gonna put it in. To form our patty, we're just gonna flatten it. These don't have to be perfect. I'm gonna cook these for 3 to 5 minutes. Okay guys, just gonna turn. Oh, these are looking good. I'm cooking these on a medium-low heat. I'm gonna cook for another 3 to 5 minutes, and then we're done. Guys, our crab cakes are done. Just turning our, yeah, they're nice and crispy on both sides. I'm just turning our stove off. Gonna rest these on some paper towel just to dry them off a bit, and then we will plate up. So I will see you back in the next clip. That's our crab cake. We got our bed of rockets or arugula, some lemon wedges, and this is just some mayonnaise mixed with Dijon mustard, lemon juice, salt and pepper. And these are our crab cakes, guys. It's really sunny. So we're just gonna put our crab cakes down. Those are looking so good, guys. So let's do a close-up. And that's our sauce. There you have it, guys, my take on crab cakes. Don't forget you can use any type of crab for this. I know lump crab is not very popular in the UK. I've seen claw meat in Costco. I've seen the white meat in the shops, but if you have access to lump crab, then you can use that. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up to show that you like my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified of when I post new videos. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye!